Hi everyone, this is Bob from Rita Machinery. Today I'd like to showcasing our automatic tube hairpin bending machine for heat exchanger processing machine. On this machine, we are equipped with the tube size 9.52 mm. Total 8 lanes. There are total 3 different bending radius on this machine, with maximum 4 meters hairpin bending length. Now we are testing the maximum 4 meters bending length before delivery to Europe. Machine now equipped with the 4 meters guide stacker. Okay, next let me show you how this machine running.